Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. We are at Bridalveil Falls. Is it everything you imagined it to be? Yeah, let's go on the actual trail.
We just hiked up that.
Look what you've done to me. How blessed as I can be. So much in love with you. I know there's another who cares as much for you, but I hope that you pick me.
Wait, I messed up. It's a 360 view.
I liked it. Good job.
I'm cool.
I love Walmart. Love it. What are you doing?
To cook dinner for your family.
I'm gonna make you stay with me and be mad if you don't. Girlfriend, I will be your girlfriend. I will be your girlfriend. I will be your girlfriend.
So I totally forgot to film making dinner. Sterling made it and he is awesome.
Everything is awesome.
Alright, he made these lovely, what are they? Garlic
knots.
The garlic knots, some sausage.
It's in the ball.
Yeah, I can't open all the way. But some noodles, some Alfredo, right? I made the lovely, cute little salad, and Sterling made a fruit salad. We are going to pick up a truck. Okay, we're gonna go look at a truck. Because Sterling's rich. We're actually getting a van. Just kidding. I'm just teasing you guys.
It's sold.
Sterling told the person to hold on to it.
But he's a dealer. Someone else gave him cash already, so like.
So it's sold, so we're not getting a truck.
Not tonight. I want to splash through this puddle.
Okay, do it. Sterling! Oh my goodness. Haha, mine's all cute and pink.
Here's your balls.
Thanks. Decided to show up.
Look what you've done to me. How blessed as I can be. So
Are we going to Walmart?
I want to go to Walmart.
I love Walmart. Walmart for the second time today. Me too. You thought Sterling was a bag?
Oh my god, this bag was talking to me.
What?
No.
You thought this guy was talking to you?
Yeah, yes. I thought it was. It sounded just like him. Sorry, 1 second.
Bye. See you Wednesday. Bye.
Ooh, yeah.
This is the end of the vlog. Please subscribe down below and I'll see you on the next vlog.